Whoa, if this gets any bigger, I'm going to have to start charging us rent. What's up guys, welcome to Royal Visuals. If you're new here, my name's Matt. If you're not, then welcome back. And if you can hit that subscribe button below, that would be great. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a clean looking cinematic title for your videos. This can go on anything from vlogs to little home movies to anything. So we're going to jump into Premiere Pro and I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. Let's get in there. Okay, welcome to Premiere Pro everybody. So we'll get going with this quick tutorial. So what we need to do is we need to put a title. So let's cinematic title will be our title for today. Nothing fancy. And to center this, you need to go to your essential graphics and then click vertical center, horizontal center. That will put your title in the middle of the screen, both horizontal and vertical. So what we need to do is we need to start with the scale. So what we want to do, we want to start this from 0 and then bring it along the timeline down here, probably roughly around about just before halfway, and then we need to click that to 100. And then we need to go to opacity, put that back to the start, and we need to click the stopwatch again. We need to click the stopwatch again and put that to 0. And again, match it up roughly with the scale one. And then put this to 100. So this will come in. And something that'll give it an extra nice bit of effect is the Gaussian blur. So you go into effects, type in blur in a search, and then it's this one right here. So we'll put that onto the text. And if you click blurriness, we need that to start down here at 100, and it needs to go to 0 here. So what that'll do is that'll just come in like so. What else I would do to this to make it look a little bit better is if you select the text and if you put this, it's at default at 100, if you put it to 110, 115, it'll just space out the title a bit more, and make sure you do your horizontal and vertical align so it remains center. And when we've got it coming in like so, and we can extend these slightly just to give it that little bit slower intro in. So from there we need to make this disappear again. This gives it a nicer, cleaner look rather than just popping off the screen. So if you go to the end of your text, and all you need to do is just put in some keyframes, going back to 0 for the scale, the blurriness back to 100%, and the opacity back to 0. And this will allow us to come in, it'll stay there, and it'll pop back out. If you don't want it to go back out and fade away, you can just have it fade away. So what we can do is we can get it so it's at the point where we can just make the opacity go down and remove the, so if we remove this and remove this scale, we can just have this so it just fades out, so it comes in, and that's a clean looking intro. So with that, you've got these two coming in and fading out, and this looks really nice with kind of a drone or a slow moving intro. It's really cinematic, really clean, looks really professional. It's ideal for any kind of video that you do. So that's how we do a clean cinematic intro title for your videos inside Premiere Pro, so I'll head back to the camera. So I hope you enjoyed that cinematic title creation in Premiere Pro. Really easy and simple technique, and it really does make the start of your videos, vlogs, whatever you want to make with you much better. So if you liked it, then please leave a comment below, and if you can like this video, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe, and I'll see you next week. See ya.